Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Zebec network and do an update here. So currently right now we are trading at 0.001397. In the last 24 hours, volume's down at 18 million and the price itself is down 5%. But taking a closer look on the daily time frame, we do see that the price is moving in this descending channel. So price is coming down to an area of support, resistance, support, and it just retested this area of resistance. So it's only natural that we're going to see some type of pullback towards the downside. If we do take a look at the immediate short term for 4 hours, it is giving us some hints here that further support is going to be further tested. One of the indicators that I love using is our RSI here. We're at 41%, which is a neutral number itself. Depending on other indicators, price movements and fundamental news, the price can either fluctuate towards the upside or downside. But the other indicators that we do see, price is going to come down even further. Again, we saw this cross below our signal line and the RSI line that triggers a sell signal. The 41% here, if we do see the RSI dip closer to our 30%, we would be in oversold territory and a possible relief or a possible pullback towards the upside could definitely happen. But because of that recent test here, we do see a lot of bearish candlesticks coming up to this level, and now we're seeing the sellers kind of pressure it on. Now, another indicator that I also love using is our Bollinger Bands. Our Bollinger Bands measure high volatility depending on how much market sentiment is in here. And basically, if we see the reactions, there's 3 different reaction stages to our Bollinger Bands. One of the reactions here is basically where we see the upper band and the lower band kind of plateau and it's going horizontally. This kind of shows us that there's really not high volatility, but there's also no low volatility. So we're going to see price moving sideways, consolidate between that area of resistance, which is the marker up here around 0.015, coming down and retesting this area of support at 0.012. So that's what we're observing on the immediate short term for 4 hours. Also, what we do see as well is our MACD indicator is kind of taking a step back in terms of this momentum. So we can see these green histograms are getting smaller in size, lighter in the color, and a possible cross of our K and our D line. So when we see these guys cross, then we know that the market is shifting a different sentiment, moving away from this bullish green to a red, again, further ensuring that there's going to be some more selling pressure. Now, again, going into the daily time frame, it's only natural again with that correction from this top, people taking long positions possibly on that March 4th is gaining their profits from the March 6th. So just yesterday in the last 24 hours. So just be prepared to see price coming down to retest this area of support at 0.0012, and possible upsides here is our resistance of a test at 0.01577. Now, again, it's not the worst case scenario if this first line of support does break. We do have multiple other support lines, especially this bottom trend line that's observed at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band. This here would just be a critical support. Not only does it break our 23% of our Fibonacci, it also breaks the bottom of our Bollinger Band, and it also breaks our bottom trend line in this channel. So if this number here would to break, then it will change the overall nature of this market. So even though we're seeing this correction on the weekly time frame, it doesn't necessarily mean that we've moved and shifted from a bull marketplace to a bear marketplace. We're still in a bull marketplace here for Zebec. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in with me today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.